Want to know how to withdraw money from 1xBet without any problems? Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, make sure your account is fully verified. Upload your ID and any documents if required. This is the most common reason withdrawals get delayed. Next, log in to your 1xBet account and go to the My Account, Withdraw Funds section. Here you'll see multiple withdrawal options like bank transfer, e-wallets, or crypto. Always choose the same method you used for depositing to avoid issues. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, double-check your payment details, and confirm. Usually, e-wallets and crypto are the fastest, often within minutes to hours, while bank cards may take a few days. To avoid problems, make sure you've met any bonus wagering requirements, use accurate personal details, and never withdraw to someone else's account. Finally, check your withdrawal status under the Transaction History tab to track progress. Follow these tips, and you'll be able to withdraw your money from 1xBet smoothly and without problems.